Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Karachi Port Trust Hospital. I'm Dr. Nadia Hassan, performing duties of medical officer. Today, I have a great privilege to represent this prestigious institution serving Pakistan since 1937. From small humble dispensaries in 1940 to 20-bedded hospital in 1960, with the passage of time, it converted into well-established 138-bedded secondary care hospital along with 15 specialized departments, 45 doctors, 154 paramedic staff. This hospital has truly evolved into a vital care for our port employees, both serving and retired, along with complete medical facilitation of their dependents. Moreover, the spirit of services extends far beyond the hospital gate. During COVID-19 pandemic, our hospital vaccinated 6 lakh locals and 250 seafarers. Also, we provide free medical camps to our fishermen communities where up to 500 patients receive their medical treatment on monthly basis. Other than that, during natural disaster where flood devastated thousands, our hospital ran 45 days extensive relief camp where 11,000 flood affected individuals received their medical treatment. Throughout this program, I'll be guiding you and will have an inside look to our hospital facilities and services and care we provide to our patients. Let's have a look. On my right side, you can see our emergency department. First line unit of the hospital, it works 24/7 with quick assessment of the patient according to triage system. Here we handle all kind of medical and minor surgical emergencies like burns, trauma, road traffic accident, foreign body removal, cardiac emergencies. Now we can see our X-ray department, which plays a vital role in accurate diagnosis and patient management. Let's have a look. This department is equipped with modern radiology equipment and is operated by trained radiographers under medical supervision. X-ray services are available for both emergency and routine patients. Here we perform chest X-rays, limb and joint imaging, spine X-rays and other diagnostic imaging as required by clinician. Strict radiation safety protocols are followed to ensure patient and staff safety. This is our ultrasound department, which provides safe, non-invasive diagnostic imaging services. Our department is equipped with advanced ultrasound machines and is managed by qualified doctors and trained staff. Ultrasound services are provided for both male and female patients with complete privacy and care. We conduct abdominal ultrasounds, pelvic scans, OBS ultrasound for pregnancy monitoring and other soft tissue examination as well. These services are essential for early diagnosis and effective treatment planning. ये हमारा gynecological ward है. Here we provide dedicated care to our women health and well-being. We have part-time consultant gynecologists along with specialized lady medical doctors and a very helpful nursing staff with midwives. Here we handle all gynecological procedures like normal delivery, forceps-assisted deliveries, DNC, DNA, C-section, hysterectomy, procedures regarding family planning. In this department, we handle all gynecological cases with pre- and post-operative management. This is our pediatric department. Our pediatric department cares for newborn babies, infants, children, and adolescents. We work together day and night to make sure every child grows well and stay healthy. We have a skilled pediatrician, trained doctors, and a helpful nursing staff who can manage both simple and serious health issues. Here we handle all emergency cases, newborn care, regular checkups, nutritional issues, and all other long-term illnesses. Let's proceed towards our ICU. This is our intensive care unit, commonly known as ICU. Before entering, we must follow all the protocols of the ICU like wearing masks, covering our shoes, and applying sanitizer. ICU provide intensive care service for our critically ill patient with continuous monitoring round the clock with the help of advanced life support and a dedicated team. It is equipped with essential machines like cardiac monitor for continuous monitoring of vital signs. We have ventilator for essential breathing for the patient who cannot breathe on their own. We also facilitate with portable X-ray machines. We also have the facilitation of the ECG machine for quick cardiac assessment. We have non-invasive BiPAP machine for respiratory breathing. Our dedicated team perform life-saving procedures like intubation, central line insertion, and resuscitation if whenever required for the patient who need intensive medical support. Now let's move towards the operation theatre complex, one of the most critical area of the hospital. Let me take you towards the section where all inter-coordination of the hospitals are managed. Let me introduce you to Dr. Sajid. Sir, how are you? Kindly tell us about how you manages all inter-hospital coordinations and all about the referral cases.
Assalamu alaikum ji, my name is Dr. Syed Mohammad Sajid. I work as a senior medical officer in Karachi Port Trust Hospital. Basically, my primary role involves evaluating complex cases, managing medical referrals, and coordinating with the panel hospitals to make sure that the patient are receiving the exact treatment which they require. Basically, I receive cases which required complex investigations and treatment which are not available at our hospital. And my role ensures that no patient is left without having access to the level of treatment which they actually require. By coordinating effectively with the panel hospitals and by managing the medical referrals efficiently, basically we close the critical gaps and we make sure that the patient receive the best quality of the treatment even beyond the walls of our hospital. Thank you.
Let's have some final words with our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Azam Ali Khwaja. Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you? Thank you for giving us your precious time. We want some of your final remarks at our Karachi Port Trust Hospital.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Azam Ali, currently serving as a Chief Medical Officer. It has been my privilege to serve this institution for the past 27 years. Our work extends beyond the treatment of illness through professionalism, dedication, and compassion. We heal individuals, provide comfort. This hospital represents a strong commitment to the health of our community. Our employees are our greatest asset, and their well-being is essential as a healthy workforce forms the foundation of sustainable growth and excellence. Thank you.
Karachi Port Trust Hospital is the backbone for our port employees. For generation, KPT Hospital has been more than a medical facility. It is a symbol of resilience, compassion, and care we provide to our patients. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Allah Hafiz and have a pleasant day.